everyone, my name is Michelle Ranavat. I'm the founder of Ranavat Botanics, and today I am so excited to tell you guys about my favorite beauty tool. But before I do that, I love to get into my ritual, so I'm going to first start out with a little bit of Mighty Majesty. Take that. It's a beautiful hair oil that has jasmine, sunflower, and amla to just smooth out the hair, and it's just a great way to condition and tone it. So I love just putting a little bit throughout the ends, and it eliminates frizz. So now that I've done that, the next part of getting into my ritual is this Jasmine Tonic. So this is a pure 100% hydrosol jasmine spray. So it feels like you're literally walking into this beautiful jasmine garden. Just a few sprays on clean skin, and it just absolutely hydrates and tones the skin. So now that we've done that, we're going to get into what this tool is. So this we're talking about is our Kansa wand. Now this wand is almost like a magic wand. I love using this not only to massage my skin, but it has some other incredible benefits that I'm going to walk you through in just a second. Before we get into doing the massage, the first thing that I like to start in the massage process is using an oil or a serum. Now you could use any oil, but I love using Radiant Rani because it actually has a lot of brightening properties. So whether it's the saffron, the roses, licorice root, turmeric, these are all brightening herbs. And you want to pair your wand and your massage, which is brightening, with a serum that's brightening, so you're going to get the maximum impact. It smells amazing, and I'll just take a little bit on my fingertips. It's a beautiful orange color. Just take a nice deep breath, and then I start pressing it into my skin. And then I'll start my massage process. Now, there are lots of different ways on how you can do it, and I personally believe in just making things uncomplicated. So do what you feel, but you want to just focus on areas where you have tension. So I like making nice little figure eights on my forehead. I think this eliminates the tension or the wrinkles that you can get up here, or those 11 lines. It's a great way to smooth those out. Once I've done that, I like to kind of take it to other points of my face, and you can be as creative with this as you want. You know, if you're someone that has a lot of tension in your jaw and you want to focus on that area, then you should feel free to do that. It is all up to you and what you want to benefit from in your facial massage. So I like doing this massage on both sides of the face, taking my time, focusing on upward strokes, using kind of a medium pressure, I would say, and making sure that it's gliding nicely across the skin. Now, why is this brightening? The first reason that it's brightening is because it's actually bringing beautiful oxygenated blood to the surface of the skin. Everyone talks about that glow from within, and that's really what that is. It's just fresh blood coming up to the surface, and we're doing that by using our massage technique and our motions. So that's bringing that blood. Now, the second way that you're getting brightness is actually the detoxification properties of the wand. Now this wand is made of copper and aluminum to make bronze. And in the Bronze Age, what they used to do is when they had that temperature to infuse those metals together, they used to use this in their drinking water, in their thalis, everywhere where they wanted to actually create more balance. So it's actually a way to alkaline, so to balance the pH. You know, if you're drinking your water, you can have alkaline water by putting it in a copper cup. So just the way that it's balancing in food, they found that it actually can balance the skin as well. Now, in doing that, you'll notice actually that if you massage for a little while, there's a chemical reaction between the bronze on the Kansa wand and the serum. And that can actually cause a little bit of darkness. So the graying effect is what we call it. So I'm just gonna show you what that's about. So I just was massaging for a little bit, and you'll notice that there is a little bit of gray on the napkin. It's really easy, you can rinse it off. It's not your skin turning gray. It's just the serum, the oxidization between the copper and the serum that causes the grayness. Now, why is that even important? Why do you care about balancing your skin? Well, I'll tell you, it is so important to have balanced skin because when your skin is out of whack and it's not pH balanced, it can cause your skin to overcompensate. So maybe acne or wrinkles or even, you know, other ailments that your skin can have. Keeping it balanced is really the best way to keep it calm and looking its best. So with the Kansa wand, you're getting both the effects of detoxifying and creating balance, but then also the brightness that you're getting from the massage. So now that I've done my facial massage with the Kansa wand, I'm just gonna kind of remove any grayness that I have. And then I always like to end the way that I began, which is with my Jasmine Tonic. A few nice sprays of this, and I feel absolutely rejuvenated. I can now do any makeup application that I want to do, or just simply go to sleep. So that's about it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this time that we spent together and learned a little bit more about the Kansa one.